Hi, hello, and welcome to autopostingtools.com. Today I'm going to show you a new module that was just created. In this case, if you purchase the software, you will have all the 130 modules that we have so far and all the new ones that we are going to be building. So today, if you go to the more tools in the menu and you go to the password generator, this is the new module that was developed. And the idea of this module is basically have a password generator in the sense that it could generate your password with numbers, with uppercases, lower cases, or symbols. So this is very simple. You check which kind of password you want to have based on whatever information you want. So for example, if you want with numbers and uppercase and lowercase, you just click on generate, and that is going to generate you a password, which you can just click copy. And then if you want to, you could just go and sign up for whatever website that you want. And then you could just go to the software and go to the bookmarks and logins. And this is just a tool for you to save your information. So it's going to open up, and we're going to be able to, let's say, if we create an email, we're going to put this password on our email, and then you will be able to have it there. So if you put new bookmark, you put http to dot slash slash, then you put Google, you put gmail.com or whichever email you are going to be using. Then you put your email at gmail.com or whichever email you want to use, and then you paste the new password, and then you save the information, and that's what it is. So what this software will do is will generate you unlimited password. So if you click generate, you get a new password every single time. You could change how many characters you want for that password. You could change if you want. Let's say I just go back to 10. Let's say if I put uppercases, I don't want uppercases, then everything is going to be lowercase and numbers. I can change only to be numbers. I can put uppercase and numbers, and I can also include the symbols. So these are the different symbols and letters that it's going to be using. So for example, if you don't want it to be using, let's say, then the plus sign, you could just remove it from there. And then whenever it creates the passwords, it's not going to include the number sign. If you want to include some extra characters that are not there, you could just add them, and then you could generate the password as well. So so for example, this one was just added here, and now you have it there. And so that's basically how the password generator works. I just wanted to make a video explaining you how it works and how you could use it for your own for yourself. So depending on whatever place you want to sign up, if you want a secure password, you could include these ones, and that is going to generate you a secure password because it's pretty much random. So whichever password is going to be here, it's going to be generated randomly, and you could use it for whatever website you want to have. So if you want to use this software, you could do it on autopostingtools.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day.